Welcome back to. If you're passionate about motorcycles, you're in the right place. Today, we're diving deep into one of the most anticipated bikes of 2025, the Suzuki GSX-R1000. Make sure to stick around for all the details. And don't forget to hit that subscribe button and ring the bell for more motorcycle content. Alright, let's jump into it. The Suzuki GSX-R1000 has long been a staple in the superbike world, and the 2025 model aims to raise the bar even higher. With a blend of cutting-edge technology, stunning design, and performance-driven engineering, this bike is set to impress. So, what can we expect from the latest iteration? Let's break it down. The first thing you'll notice about the 2025 GSX-R1000 is its aggressive styling. Suzuki has refined the aerodynamic silhouette that the GSX-R series is known for. The new model boasts sharper lines and a more angular profile, giving it a bold, race-ready look. The front fairing features a redesigned headlight setup, which integrates LED technology for improved visibility. This not only enhances the aesthetic appeal but also contributes to better nighttime riding conditions. The bodywork is crafted from lightweight materials, optimizing the bike's power-to-weight ratio, a crucial factor for performance enthusiasts. Color options for 2025 also reflect Suzuki's commitment to making a statement. Expect classic colorways like the iconic blue and white, as well as some fresh, eye-catching designs that cater to a broader range of riders. Now, let's talk about what really matters: the engine. The 2025 GSX-R1000 is powered by a liquid-cooled 999cc inline-4 engine, which has undergone some significant upgrades. It's designed to deliver an impressive 200 horsepower, and with the added tuning, it promises even more torque at lower RPMs, giving riders a smoother and more responsive throttle. Suzuki has also equipped the new GSX-R1000 with a state-of-the-art exhaust system that not only reduces weight but also enhances sound. The engineers have focused on refining the intake and exhaust flow to ensure maximum performance. For riders looking for that extra edge on the track, the 2025 model comes with adjustable engine modes. These modes allow you to customize the power delivery according to your riding style, whether you're hitting the open road or pushing your limits on the racetrack. Technology is at the forefront of the GSX-R1000, and Suzuki has not held back. The 2025 model is equipped with a comprehensive suite of electronic aids designed to enhance both safety and performance. First up is the Suzuki Intelligent Ride System SIRS, which includes advanced features like traction control, ABS, and cornering management. The traction control system has multiple settings, allowing riders to fine-tune their experience based on conditions and preferences. Another exciting addition is the 6-axis EMU inertial measurement unit, which monitors the bike's orientation in real time. This allows for more precise intervention from the electronic systems, ensuring that riders can maintain control even in challenging conditions. The GSX-R1000 also comes with a new, fully digital TFT display that is both informative and customizable. Riders can track speed, gear position, lap times, and even lean angle. This level of data at your fingertips can be a game-changer for track enthusiasts looking to improve their lap times. Moving on to the suspension, the 2025 GSX-R1000 is fitted with fully adjustable suspension components from Showa. The front features big pistons for improved responsiveness, while the rear offers a new linkage system for better feedback and control. This setup not only enhances the bike's cornering capabilities, but also improves overall ride comfort, making it suitable for both daily commuting and long rides. The bike feels planted and agile, responding seamlessly to rider inputs, whether you're navigating tight corners or cruising down the highway. Moreover, the chassis has been fine-tuned for optimal balance and weight distribution, which translates to confidence-inspiring handling. This is crucial for both novice and experienced riders alike. One aspect that often gets overlooked in superbikes is rider comfort. Suzuki understands that a great riding experience is not just about raw power, it's also about how the bike feels during long rides. The 2025 GSX-R1000 features a redesigned seat that offers improved support and cushioning. The riding position is aggressive yet manageable, allowing for better control without sacrificing comfort. The handlebars have been slightly adjusted to reduce strain on the wrists, which is especially beneficial during extended rides. Additionally, the foot pegs have been positioned for an optimal balance between sporty riding and comfort, making it easier to shift weight when cornering. Now, let's discuss the elephant in the room: the price. The 2025 Suzuki GSX-R1000 is expected to be competitively priced within the Superbike segment. While the exact figures haven't been released yet, estimates suggest it could start around the mid-$15,000 mark, which is reasonable considering the level of technology and performance offered. As for availability, Suzuki is aiming to have the GSX-R1000 in dealerships by early 2025, so keep an eye on your local Suzuki dealer for updates and availability. In conclusion, the 2025 Suzuki GSX-R1000 is shaping up to be a formidable contender in the Superbike arena. With its powerful engine, cutting-edge technology, and rider-focused design, it offers a thrilling experience for both seasoned riders and newcomers alike. Whether you're hitting the track or enjoying a weekend ride, this bike has the potential to elevate your experience to new heights. What do you think about the new GSX-R1000? Are you excited to see it hit the streets? Let us know your thoughts in the comments below. And remember, if you enjoyed this video, give it a thumbs up and share it with your fellow motorcycle enthusiasts. Thanks for watching. If you loved this video, don't forget to subscribe and hit that notification bell to stay updated on all our latest content. Ride safe, and we'll see you in the next one.